Okay, so let's quickly write another test over here. I'm going to do public void local test 02. I'm going to do same thing, driver, navigate, go to URL. And then we're going to assert is false, false. Just a little bit of a different test. And obviously throw in the test attribute there so that our Visual Studio knows it's a test and we know how to run it. Now, let's take a look at our Test Explorer here. It only sees one test. That's because you have to build first. So I'm going to use F6 to build, and you use whatever keyboard shortcuts it is for you to build. And now that it built, I'm going to go over here to the Test Explorer and I can see two tests. One ran and passed, and one was not run. So I am going to run both of them. So I can do that by doing run all. And so we'll see what's going to happen. So you can see it's setting up here, loading tests. Now it's running the test. Here it pulled up the first test. And now it should pull up a second test and run that. Check it out. Here's the second test. You guys see that? It pulled two tests. But did you also see what happened in regards to how the tests were executed? First it executed one test, then it executed another test. Therefore, that's where parallel testing comes in handy, is because you can run your tests in parallel and not sequentially. Therefore, you can see the more tests that I was adding, the longer and longer that time of run is going to take. And in fact, it would basically double in this case because the tests are exactly the same. So let's fix that by setting up a parallel test that we're going to run locally.